Greetings from Lake Dora. Getting ready to take a boat tour. It's on Premier Boat Tours, located in the front of our hotel at the, where are we staying? I forgot.
Lakeside Inn.
Lakeside Inn. I don't remember anything ever. And we're gonna go across Lake Dora, which you can see out there, on this pontoon boat. It's a 2-hour tour, not a 3-hour tour, so you don't have to worry about getting stranded on an island or anything. It's a 2-hour tour. And then we're gonna go up a canal, Dora Canal, which is supposed to be very nice. Some of the nicest waterways anywhere. I don't believe it, but we shall see. Stay tuned.
Captain Bob and I welcome you to the Dora Canal. Feel free to stand up, walk around, stretch your legs, watch something a little closer, but just be courteous to the other passengers. As we come on into the canal, the first mobile home you see on the point up here off to your right, quite a few years ago, Seminole Indian Training Post. The rest of mobile homes on the right were placed on the Indian burial ground. This way you can only purchase the structure, lease the land, and of course off to the left you can buy both. Above the mobile with the yellow trim, you're going to see a beautiful tree that is an umbrella tree. Off to your left we have Summerall Park. Great place to have a picnic, get together, set the swings up, watch the boat go by, and even do a little fishing. And we have a great blue heron down by the bank, off to your left. Great blue heron is North America's largest heron. They are a very antisocial bird. Getting ready to go into the Wells Street Bridge. In some cases, if we have a lot of rain for a few passengers, we may ask you to bow your head, close your eyes, say a prayer, and take a deep breath. Oh my.
Oh, this is fun.
Coming up on the right, you're going to see purple flowers on the point. Those are Mexican petunias, very hardy, healthy landscaping plant. A little further down on the right, you're going to see an alligator who's been here so long he's petrified. Little red gas pump I don't know if you can see it now. It says 10 cents a gallon. We'll never see 10 cents a gallon on our pump event, maybe a rewards point. As we come on around the point, once again, on to your right, the yellow part, we have the village. The gnomes will pack up, go off for a walk, come back, and set up again. This time they brought back Mr. Bridegroom of my water wheel, another great blue heron over here off to your right. Solar heated swimming pool with mobile home park on the right. Over down we have keys that have outfits for all occasions. I'm not sure what this is. I used to think it was Mother's Day, but I never have it. Then as we pass this tree that's down in the water, we have wild ginger. You might notice that cypress trees on both sides of the bank. Cypress trees are related to the sequoia and redwood trees, meaning they are slow-growing trees. Some of these trees look like they're growth you see going up around the base of the tree is the root, the cypress leaves, the root system, the lifeline of the tree. Off to your left is the alligator breeding island. To the right is another 55 and older community. We had a false shell turtle over here yesterday digging a nest. I don't know if there's any eggs in there or not. A lot of breeding on the left, but not so much on the right. I don't think they caught that.
Yeah, what Sandra's trying to say is
Well, somebody said that's not really all that true. I see an alligator back in through there, back in the greenery, way in the back. Bright blue hair, right here off to your left.
Heron, I don't see alligator.
And then we have mama alligator right
Look at that.
here.
Where?
It's gonna be about
See it?
8 o'clock.
Oh, I see it. Oh my gosh. Ooh, it's a big one.
Right there, right close. See the tail right there?
We know that's a female alligator because she always winks at the captain. Although I don't know if she might wink at me. I don't know what to think about that.
food, which is fish, but they don't bite them. They spear them. They put that sharp beak right to the side of the fish, then bring it to the surface to eat it.
Something right below you, dead catfish maybe.
You might want to see the dead catfish. I think it's gonna be chopped up in the.
Catfish nuggets.
When mother alligator is ready to lay her eggs, she would dig a nest, deposit anywhere from 40 to 30 eggs. Great blue heron to your right. Depending on the amount of debris she puts on top of the nest, determines the sex of the babies. She's in control of that. 90 degrees and above creates males. 80 degrees and below creates females.
That's great.
And if you're wondering in between, don't ask, don't tell. I don't know if that happened. Another wood duck nesting box over here to your left.
Good to see you.
We have an alligator moving over here right behind the log going across the water, right in the back. He's coming to greet you. Yeah.
Yeah.
And up here about 11 o'clock, this little bird here, this is a little green heron. Right down by the water. And then you see the logs in front of us. There's some large turtles.
Yeah, mamas will not eat their baby.
But the daddies will, won't they? Spring of the year, you may notice that there's not a whole lot of birds down around the banks or in the water. Usually, they're probably tending to their nests, their eggs, their babies, and so they're way in the top of the tree. So just be careful when you look up. Alligators are aware of that also. There's a little tricolored heron right here off the right. Alligators are aware of the babies in the nest in the tree. So another great blue heron to your left. Getting ready to go into an inlet which is clear. This is Gator Inlet. At one time, it was a thriving fish camp, marina, bar, and grill. Due to U.S. Highway 441 taking so long to go through, put it out of business. You may notice some banana palms off to your right. bear fruit, they bear those little sweet apple bananas. You're going to see a bunch of purple ground cover, which is Wandering Jew.
Howdy, everybody.
This is what normal people do.
Okay.
The sable or cabbage palm was adopted in 1953 as our state tree. It's also known as one of the 12 native palms. It's not a tree, it's a palm. There's an edible substance in that palm you may have had, not realized you had it. Some of the cultures called it skunk cabbage or wild cabbage. They knew you would never order it in restaurants to buy it in stores and cans, so they gave it the name Hearts of Palm. Now those palms are being farm raised for that reason. You can also get imported. Well, I can't call her a sister boat because there's Captain Doolittle.
Let's get do a little driving.
Do. Hola, ¿cómo está? Oh,
Pardon me, would you have any Grey Poupon?
Yes, we have 3 coupons today.
we have a left and up here off your left and going into the entrance of the two meat right here. The little, and another popcorn egress.
You know, to our passengers, a lot of people don't know it, but there used to be a commercial about the Grey
Seen
Poupon.
that the bride and groom up by the water wheel. Kind of close here. Because they carry all kinds of bacteria. If you're a dolphin fan, up here off to your right, we have a dolphin. We're not sure what that is, whether it's a security system, a TV, or an ATM. Anybody like the little picnic table right here off the right for the squirrels? That Eric corner. There's a burn on the trunk of these live oak trees. It's all dried up and brown right now. With a little bit of moisture, that fern will come back to life because it's vibrant green. Those ferns live quite old. That is resurrection ferns. They are also using the properties of that fern in anti-aging cosmetics and things. They have a little chart along here to your right. We have a pelican up here off to your left in front of the gazebo. We do have migrating pelicans that this one is here all year long. Chinese pelican.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I think we had a pretty good tour today. We saw a lot of different animals, gators, turtles, snappers. Yeah, it was good. A lot of birds. No rain. Beautiful weather. don't find any deer over there. So look at Mount Dora. We see one big building. It's got a red roof, condominium building. After that one out, city council, the mayor, they all took a look at the skyline. And they said, what do we do?
That was it. We're coming into shore, and that was our 2-hour tour on Premier Boat Tours of Mount Dora. I highly recommend this tour. It was a lot of fun, very beautiful, very scenic. I never even knew about the Dora Canal until I went on this tour. And the tour guides were very informative and knowledgeable as well. So if you ever find yourself in Mount Dora, make sure you take this tour. It was definitely a highlight of our weekend. That's going to do it for this episode of My Day Off. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.